How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be making something a little bit different from what we normally do. As you guys can see, my headlights are extremely foggy, so today our homework is going to be to polish these and leave them looking like brand new. So for that I got the Pittsburgh Deluxe. Pretty much comes with everything. It comes with the sanding pad, the 500, 800 grit, and then the 3000 grit, and then the last thing, the buffing compound, as well as the tape, so that I can tape on the outsides, not scratch everything. So let's get right into it. First pad we're going to start is with the abrasive 500. So that's the very first one. Actually, let me give this a nice clean before I start. This is just a multi-purpose cleaner with a degreaser. I just scratched my paint. So that's it for this one. We'll see it right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to polish this out right now. Be careful when you guys do this. Make sure you mask this all off. I did this after, but I'll make sure to do it the other side. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You see, I've never done this before. I was a little bit nervous before I started this, but I think it looks pretty good. Let me wipe it down really quick. Oh my god, I almost killed myself. Get a quick wipe down with the brush. definitely looks way better. Okay, now let's do that side. That looks good. I like that. I think it looks pretty good. Nice. Now, my neighbor's, his is completely dark. Alright, so if you guys want to see me fixing his, then do 10 likes. I'll fix his for free. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys get inspired. You know, this was a pretty simple job, so if you guys are like my neighbor and have problems like that, it's honestly a very simple thing to fix. So yeah, don't be scared. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, guys.